In this video you will learn the fifth and final step of the value-added project. Here we're going to cover posting production and putting away inventory. To begin, let's log into my Hinckley, open up the value-added homepage. Posting production can be done from the work queue or post-production links. We're going to start with the work queue. We're going to focus on this particular order. It says posting needed. That means that the quantity ordered has been built by a value-added team member, and we need to post-production and put it away. So posting production can occur from two separate screens. I can click on the post-production quantity, or I can click on the order. I will click on the quantity because this acts as a shortcut. And I'm presented with the Macola login screen. At this point, I will log into Macola using my username and password. If you arrive to this web page and you see that the logged in Macola user is somebody else and not yourself, you can click here and that will log you out and present you with the login screen so that you can log in as yourself. Here I can see that my production order number, the item that I built, the quantity ordered, quantity posted is 0, and the quantity remaining is 3. If I put quantity 3, please note that this has automatically updated the production order complete check flag. Now, if I lower this to 2, that's unchecked, and I'm going to put it back to 3, it gets checked. Now I'm going to put away production into a specific put away location. Note, put away location within the value added production zones will put the product into the prod bin within Macola. At that time, the product is not available to ship. On the other hand, putting away the product into a warehouse location such as O101A will add the product to the CDC bin and make it shippable immediately. We have designed the system to have an intermediary location called R to CDC, which will act as a put-away location from which the warehouse team will pull orders and take them into the CDC bin. I will select that as my location. I'm going to say post-production. Now I'm going to get an error here. This tells me that bin record is not found for an item number. I'm going to click OK. I'm noting that information about that product number, and I'm going to go to production order information, and I'm going to review the bill of material information for this order, and I'm going to find the item that I had the error for. I'm going to click on the pickable quantity button. This button will give me Macola bin's information. What I'm doing technically is I'm taking away from prod bin and I'm posting information to the new item. But I need to deduct the quantity for the bill of material from the prod bin. Now clearly here I can see that the prod quantity is 0. That means I have insufficient quantity to post this, and the order will not take it from assembly. So what we have to do is we're going to click OK here, go into Macola, and we're going to do a transfer using Macola transactions. We're going to wait a minute for the screen to come up. We're going to transfer this particular item from location HLI to location HLI. And we're going to transfer the quantity of 94 from bin assembly to bin prod. And since the item is not in this bin, we need to make it. This will launch another Macola screen. And we're going to say OK. Now if I return to my web page and look at this item, I can clearly see that now my prod quantity, or prod bin quantity, is 94. Click OK. Return down to post-production, and I'm going to see post-production. Now I expect to get another error here. Oop. Maybe not this time. So the big green means that we have successfully posted quantity of 3 of item 2575 TTLED into location R2 CDC. And this completes the 5th step of the value-added training.